So this book is from Storyweaver, and Storyweaver is .org.in. It's a group of open copyright stories online. It's advocating people reading and translating books for children. As you can see, it's some really pretty art for the different alphabet letters. From Pratham Books to Level 1 Emergent Reader. The author is Adrija Ghosh, with the illustrator being Adrija Ghosh, which I apologize, I probably am saying that wrong. But it's A, B, C, D, a nature alphabet book. So A is for ant, the little bug that crawls and is mighty as the many. B is for bee. Buzz, 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 buzz. There's many different kinds of bees, not just the honeybee. They like the flowers and the nectar. C for cloud in the sky. Do you like to look at the clouds and think of them as things? I think this cloud looks like a pumpkin. What do you think? D for dew. Each night there's what's called condensation. There's moisture that gathers on the plants and the grass. That's called dew with a D. And the sun evaporates it away. E for egg. Egg. That thing that birds and lizards and many animals come out of. You might even eat eggs in the morning. Most commonly, those are chicken eggs. F for fish. F. The fishes swim. This fish is yellow and green and blue. G for grass, the grass that grows in the earth. You might have a lawn of grass or just see grass growing here and there. H, hill. Those things that are not quite mountains, but sometimes they can feel like them. You go uphill and downhill. Mound of earth. H for hill. I for ice. Ice. This ice is melting. Drip, 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 drip. Ice is cold. And that lovely character from Arendelle, she makes ice all over. Can you guess who I'm talking about? J. J for jungle. Jungle is a kind of forest, essentially. Grouping of plants and trees and things. K. To be kind to animals. So here are the birds with a bird bath. Someone is feeding the birds. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. They're being kind. Leaf. L is for leaf. Most plants that have leaves practice what's called photosynthesis. It means that they take the light from the sun and they make it into sugars to feed the plant. Leaf. M for moon. It's that great big thing in the sky. Earth has 1 moon. N. N for nest. I'm not sure what kind of animal makes this nest. There's many different shapes of nests. A nest for example, a gorilla nest is a little bed they make for themselves. Do you make a little nest out of your bed? Nestle into your blankets? O for ocean. Those great big bodies of sea, of water. Oh, there's some birdies. Dee-wee. P for puddle, as a much smaller body of water. It's one that maybe you jump in with your boots and splash, and the sun dries up. Q for quill. Porcupines have quills. R for rain, coming from the sky. S for stars, stars in the sky, and things like that. Star. Now, stars don't look like that. Our eyes just put it into little lines for us, which is why it looks like they have a shape. T for tree. I loved trees when I was little. I would always climb them. But be very careful, because it can be dangerous. U for underwater. Wow, look how amazing this is. All the fish and sea turtle. Is that an octopus? So many things. Sea star. U for underwater. It means there's water on top of you. V for volcano. V, volcanoes are quite dangerous, but they also make new land like islands, so they're dangerous, but they're also useful. Smoke coming out. Alright, we're getting towards the end. W for wave. You can tell the author of this book was near water. Also a W word. X for, not sure how to say this, so I'm definitely going to say it wrong. Xenops. It's a type of bird. Very pretty bird. It's red and yellow and white with black feet. X. Y for yak. It's a large animal. It's a little bit like a cow, but it's not a cow. Yak. People will farm it for the hair and milk, just like cows. Z for zebra. The zebra looks like it's very proud to be the final letter. Prancing and dancing. And that's the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. You can hear the choo-choo train. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you for listening. You have a great day.